Welcome to CyberTheo. Today, I'll show you how to use the Action Center effectively on your Windows PC in just 60 seconds. Step 1. Open Action Center. Click on the speech bubble icon in the bottom right corner of your screen or press Windows +A. Step 2. Manage Notifications. The Action Center displays all your notifications. Click on a notification to open it or right-click to dismiss it. Click Clear All Notifications to remove all notifications at once. Step 3. Quick Actions. At the bottom of the Action Center, you'll find quick actions for common tasks like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, night light, and airplane mode. Click on any quick action to toggle it on or off. Right-click a quick action to go to its settings. Step 4. Customize quick actions. Click on Expand to see all quick actions if only a few are displayed. Click on Manage Notifications at the top of the Action Center, then edit your quick actions to add, remove, or rearrange quick actions according to your preferences. Step 5. Focus Assist. Enable Focus Assist to limit notifications during specific times or activities. You can choose priority only or alarms only based on your needs. And that's it. You now know how to use the Action Center effectively on your Windows PC. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching CyberTheo.